Hi everyone, welcome to Forex Hight weekly forecast. Here is the sum of pairs and commodities. Today I'm going to share with you next probable move. Uh, let's uh, let's start. So first of all, I'm going to DXY. All right, DXY will be. I think it's will be go down. First of all, it's go up, then move down for next week. Uh, this is the move, guys, for DXY. Why? Because of this structure are not interested to buy. I think it's buyer very weak in this area, so that this is the seller pressure is too much. So I think it's going to pull back like that, then push down, right? So this is the move for DXY. Let's jump to the next pair. All right, here is the gold. Gold will be pushed up because you can see here already make it double top, but this is, guys, as a trap. Why? This top are not valid most of time. Many traders take sell from here, maybe, so that it's also it's a liquidity zone, right? So that it's will be break. Uh, I mean, it will be break out uh, very soon. I think it's next week. It will be go up. First of all, it's go down like that, then push up until break this level. I mean, this level we are not interested to sell, right? So it's need to break this level before down, right? So that we looking for up only, not down, right? It's not this move. This move is not valid as per my analysis. So that it's I think it's going up for next week. All right, pound dollar. You can see here, guys. This structure is very less volatility in this here in this structure, so that it's said it's going up like this, so that uh, ho- why or why are we going to uh, buy for this pair? This is the level, guys, right? This level is this level, and you can see I going to zoom. You can see the this pair, right? I mean this move, and this candle is very momentum candle, so that it's very very, I think it's very uh, positively move up, and it's starting move, right? It's starting move, guys, so that it's I think it's going to up, like it's first of all it's going to down, then up for next week, so that our prediction is it's move up only, right? All right, euro dollar, right? Euro dollar, you can see this structure very weak for This structure are very weak. You can see for sellers, so that it's already moving up, right? So what's the next move for euro dollar? So euro dollar will be go down like this. This is go down, then move up. Guys, this is the level. Until break this level, we do not interested to. I mean, until break out this level, we do not looking for sell, right? So that first of all, it's need to move up. I mean, move up, then maybe go down. But for the next week, it's only for buy. All right. Here is the dollar yen. Dollar yen, I think it's go up first of all, then push down. This is the move for next week for JPY, I mean dollar yen. AUDUSD, will be move up because here is the most important level. I mean important structure. This structure are said exit the sellers, right? This move this move are selling I mean this is the selling pressure zone, so that this is the exit level for these sellers, right? So it's going in that case, in this case it will be go up. I mean first of all go down, break this level, then push up. This is the prediction for AUDUSD. Uh, let's see the next pair. All right, thousand ship. It's uh, correlate to the BTC. I mean Bitcoin. So in that case, it's first of all it's going up, then another push down. Why? Because this is the level, guys. It's need to break down this level, right? It's need to break down this level. This is the level. It's need to break down before up, right? So this is the next week probable move for thousand ship. Let's see the next pair. Bitcoin similar to I mean thousand ship. It's going to up, then push down, and until break this level, it's not ready for buy. I mean it's not ready for up, right? So Bitcoin, it's probable move for sale. I mean it's going to down. So let's see the next pair. GameStop. GameStop will be, this is the level. It's going to little bit down, then push up, and this is the exit level. This is the exit level. So that after the break out of this level, then probably we can see. I mean, we will see the some of seller pressure. So let's see the next pair. NVIDIA. NVIDIA is going. It's going little bit down, then push up. and break this level. So this move, by the way, this move not for only weekly move. It's long term move, so that you can consider the weekly move for sale only. I mean down only. These portions. So there's so that for long term, for long term, NVIDIA will be go up, but for short term, it's for down, right? And this is the weekly move, probably move, weekly move. So this is the NVIDIA prediction. All right, Nifty 50, Nifty 50 will be move up, then down. This down is very this down is a very long term process, so that this is not only weekly forecast. This is the long term forecast. I mean it's probably 1 or 2 or more months, so that this is Nifty 50 long term forecast. I mean this is the long term forecast for Nifty 50. Bank Nifty is similar to Nifty 50, so that it's going to up first level little bit, then go down. Guys, until reach this area, it's not good for buy. So that it's this is the also long term forecast. So this is not a weekly forecast. This is a long term process, so that it's a long term forecast. So ultimately, it's going down slowly. So until reach this area, it's not suitable for buyers. Crude oil, crude oil will be all right. Crude oil will be little bit down, then push up again. Why? Because of this is the demand zone, you can see, and it's and this move, it's last move for sellers. These sellers. So there is so this reason in that case, we think it will be go down little bit. You can see little bit down, then push up. That's all, guys. This is the forecast for uh, all of pairs. So if you want to request your favorite pairs for analysis and forecast your favorite pairs, leave a comment below and share your experience in the comment. And if you like this video, then keep click a thumbs up and share the this analysis. So thank you, guys. Thanks for watching the video.